Hello everyone. Today we'll make a snack dish, but you can have it for dinner as well, which is called aloo chop. Basically it is just like aloo bonda, but in Orissa it is made in a different way, and I will tell you the ingredients. Boiled potatoes. I have taken 3 boiled potatoes, 2 onions, ginger garlic paste. This is dhania powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and a little bit of jeera powder, which is roasted. With this we'll start making aloo chop. I have put a kadai on the stove. I will take 3 teaspoons of oil. When it gets heated, we'll just wait for 2 minutes. The oil is hot. Now I'm adding half teaspoon of jeera and half teaspoon of mustard seeds. When this crackles nicely, then we will add onions. Fry the onion for at least 7 to 8 minutes till they are little brown in color. You can see the onions have turned translucent. It's looking good. Now we will add this ginger garlic paste with a little water. Fry this till the raw smell of ginger and garlic goes off. Now the ginger garlic, raw smell of ginger garlic has gone. So now we will add dhania powder, turmeric powder, chili powder, and roasted cumin powder. Just half a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. And then fry for a bit, just 5 minutes you fry everything. Don't add water. And then we will add the boiled potatoes. Masala is done. It's smelling very nice. Now we will add the boiled potatoes and salt as per your taste. Chili powder and everything you add according to your taste. If you need more chili, you can add chili and then mash it. It's nicely mashed. Now after mixing it nicely, the flame should be sim, and then cover it and keep it for 5 minutes. Now let's open the cover and see. Again give a mix, then add coriander leaves, and then give a nice mix. After this we'll make the chop, aloo chop. The masala is done. Then I have taken 1.5 cups of besan and added salt. We'll add little bit of dhania powder, haldi powder, and this is eating soda. A little bit of eating soda. We'll mix all this and make a batter out of this. Pour water. Pour little by little because don't make it too runny. There should be no lumps also. Mix it nicely. Make it a smooth batter. Not very thin or not very thick also. Yes, this is the right consistency. You can see this is the consistency. Now I'll heat the oil and we'll deep fry the aloo chop. Now I have put oil on the gas. It's hot. I have made balls. Though with the masala I have made such balls. You can make small, you can make big. According to your taste you can make. Now I have made this batter. I will dip this ball in the batter and then leave it in the oil. Don't take a lot of batter with the aloo chop. It should be light coated, very thin coated. Take out the batter and then now we'll deep fry these till it turns brown. See, it has turned golden brown. Now it's ready. We will take it out. The aloo chop is ready. You can have this aloo chop with this yellow peas curry. This is called guguni. In Orissa, this is called guguni aloo chop. And see how I have broken one aloo chop. It looks so delicious. And in Orissa, we also eat with this murmura. This is puffed rice. With this, we add this chop, little bit of onions, green chili, and this curry. We add in this, mix it, and eat. This is also very tasty. Do try this recipe, and if you like the video, please subscribe.